Going on, guys, right here we have the missing product, well, the missing piece to my car pretty much. So this is the missing product. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this. I'm trying to hide my info, but we're gonna go ahead and well, not unbox it on camera or whatever. I just showed you guys it came in. So my harness comes in tomorrow. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out the package, make sure it's everything that I need, and then we'll get started. All right, guys, so as you see here, it comes with mad stuff that I don't know. Like, this is the vacuum line. Oh, look at that. Sick. So I'm assuming this has its own map sensor, and they give you a vacuum line for that map sensor. That's my assumption. I'm not 100% sure, but this is a vacuum line. Something Haltech didn't supply. Let's go ahead and open this. And look, Haltech says if you open the seal, you got to pay a 20% freaking restocking fee. These guys don't have that. Yo, I don't know, man. I feel like it's kind of like a scam. Like, bro, I didn't use the product at all. I opened it to try to get it to work. It didn't work, and now I got to pay a restocking fee. Doesn't make sense. Fam, this presentation is pretty good, too. So you get the FuelTech. There's some other stuff in here. Sounds like beads. And then you get the full FuelTech. We didn't get the harness, guys, because remember, we're doing this on my Kswap. So, yo, this is way better than, bro. Look, they even cover the whole ECU for you. Yep, it does have a map sensor right here. So that line is for that map sensor right there, which I do. Good thing I left it in the car because I have the whole setup already. I use my own line. It's more silicone-y, but I'm going to use FuelTech's line because it looks better. But yeah, so that's it right there. And then it comes with a little mount, but we're not going to use the mount because I do have the dash mount coming in. And then, guys, this is my AFR gauge, which literally comes just like the dash did, but gotta get the wire for this then as well. But that's the AFR, so at least we have the AFR. Weather's getting nice, man. Leaves are starting to grow back and stuff. Anyways, let me finish this video off real quick. So, guys, with that being said, my harness was supposed to come in today. Car would have been started today. But, guys, of course, it's me. So, it was delayed. It's not coming in today. I don't know when. It's New York. Literally, it should come next day. It's New York. I ship things all the time when I sell. And it goes next day if it's in Mass or New York, even Jersey sometimes. So, yeah. We have the FuelTech. We have this. So I do have to buy the harness for this. There's a harness I have to buy. So once I get the harness, we'll be all set. And then it came with the vacuum line. So that's pretty much it, guys. I did buy the dash, like I said. And I also bought a 3D printer because once I get that dash in, I'm going to scan it and then print it and then sell it for cheaper, I think. That's my plan because these guys are, you know, like a lot of people can't really afford too much things, you know. Obviously, if you're going Kswap, you want to have some funds available. But, man, I feel like people just upcharge the crap out of these things. Like, the profit that guy made on me, I paid $200 for the dash. The filament is $20 and the 3D printer was like $280. So off of one dash, he pretty much paid for like everything. So he profited like crazy. So I want to really help people out in the budget market. And if I could get this 3D printed and all that, get it done, I'll probably sell it for like $130, $150. But he did say he's going to go up on pricing on eBay. So probably save yourself even more. But yeah. Anyways, here it is. That's pretty much it, guys. Not a lot I can say because, of course, it's me, man. I knew that was going to happen. I said, yo, things are going too well. The FuelTech is here. It's just going too well. And then next thing you know, boom, I knew it. The freaking harness for the FuelTech ended up not showing up. But, hey, it is what it is, guys. Weather's getting real nice out. I'm actually going to wash the daily today and then power wash my deck. No diddy. But other than that, man, it's so nice out, man. Other than that, that's pretty much it, guys. I got nothing else for you. I'm gonna go get my hair cut. Your boy's looking kind of rough. And that's it, man. I wish I could really get my car started. Sucks, man. It sucks. But hey, it is what it is.